Okay, so the note reader is placed in the top section. It does get installed in front of your NIAX unit, so if you're or your cashless system. So if you do ever need to get to that, you do need to remove the note reader, which is simple to do. You've just got the 4 screws on the outside, and the whole note reader will come out. But if you are having any issues, generally it's quite simple to troubleshoot. Firstly, collecting your cash. You can open this flap and push that forward, and the notes will generally just be sitting in there when you are collecting. You can also do that by pushing this little tab forward, slide the the cassette out, and the notes will just be sitting in there. So if you do ever have a jam, or the note reader isn't working, normally you will be able to work that out by the lights at the front not flashing. So when the door is closed, normally they will flash green, indicating that the note reader is functional. So if it is flashing a different colour or not flashing at all, generally that does mean that there is an issue with your note reader. So again, if there isn't no jam, it would be in this section here. You would see something crumpled up. You can also remove this bottom section, which is where all the sensors are, by pushing in these 2 tabs, and that just simply slides out. Giving this a good clean with an alcohol wipe is generally best practice, getting all the dust off. And again, if something is jammed, it would often occur in here. You may have a piece of paper, or believe it or not, quite often people will fold a note and put it through, which obviously won't read properly, and would just be stuck in that section there. So ensuring that is clean. There are also some sensors up in here, so you get the alcohol swab and just do it up on those sensors as well. Then you can place everything back in. Again, that just slides straight back in. Make sure it clicks on both sides, and the cassette will just slide back in, aligning up those lugs into the side there. And again, making sure it clicks in, and you're good to go from there. Another thing that can occur when your note reader is not functioning, if that all looks fine, it may simply be that your coin mech is low on coins. So your note reader will be disabled if there is insufficient coins within the coin mech to provide the change that's required. So you would revert to the other video on the coin mech on how to replenish and check for coin levels. Once that is done, your note reader should function perfectly.